What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. If you're new to my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell and also leave a comment on a video topic that you want me to talk about. If you have not watched part 1 or part 2 of this video, then the link will be in my description. In part 1 I showed you what requirements you need to start a YouTube channel and also create a YouTube channel step by step. In part 2 I have customized that YouTube channel and also optimize it for YouTube algorithm, for the YouTube search engine. In part 3 of this video now, I will upload my first YouTube video step by step. So let's get into the video. So now let's go to YouTube. Alright, so now that we are in YouTube, we must now sign in to our YouTube account. So the YouTube account that we created was Coron and D and logged in. Alright, so now that we signed into our account now, to upload our first YouTube video, we must go to YouTube Studio. Once we are in YouTube Studio, we click on create and upload. I have created the YouTube video already, so all I need to do now is to find the video, which is this video right here, jog, and drop it right here. How fast the video uploads depends on how long your video is. This video is approximately 1 minute, so it should take less than 5 minutes. So now, to upload our first video, we need to give our video a title. So I'm gonna call this My Trip to Ocho Rios. And within the description, I will also paste this right here and also give it a description. Something like, hey, no, like, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Also, please do check out some other of my comedy vlogs, something like that, depending on what your video is about. So depending on what your video is about, you will make the description align to represent that. So now we must upload a YouTube thumbnail. For this video, I also went ahead and created a thumbnail to speed up the process of this video. Just click on open and voila, our thumbnail is open. If we have a playlist, we can also create a playlist to group all the related videos together. So I'm gonna create a playlist called vlogs. So I will upload all my vlogs into that specific playlist. Click on create and voila, put it in vlogs, done. Alright, so right here it asks if this video is for kids. If it is for kids, then I would click on yes, it is for kids. If not, then I will click on no, it's not for kids. Now, this is very important, tags. My videos contain paid promotion, no. This is very important, tags. Tags is what allows your video to either go viral or not viral. So these help to rank your videos within the YouTube search engine. For instance, this video is about my trip to Ocho Rios. So To help my video to boost it within the YouTube search engine, I would add some relevant tags. Tags are like things that when a person search for a specific thing, your video will pop up. For instance, my trip to Ocho Rios, I will just say Ocho Rios because that's very popular. A lot of persons go to Ocho Rios. So if someone should type in Ocho Rios in the YouTube search, the probability of your video coming up, showing up on top will be 1 out of 10 now because you add a tag Ocho Rios. Blogs, your videos are blogs. So now some famous places within Ocho Rios. These will help to rank your videos as well. Duns River Park. Also, another famous place in Ocho Rios is Dolphin Cove. A lot of tourists visited this place. So maybe some tourists, this is summer now, so maybe some tourists want to go visit Dolphin Cove and they search it on YouTube to get some reviews. Your video is likely to now pop up. So Dolphin Cove and Ocho Rios. And these are just some simple tags that you can use to help to rank your video, help to give it that push on YouTube. So instead of your videos getting 1 views or 2 views or 5 views, because this is a fairly new channel, no one knows about this video, no one knows about this channel either. Thus you have to have that push to help to get at least 50 views or 30 views or any amount of views you want. So you have to give it that push. Also, as a new YouTuber, you have to share your videos with friends and family. These are the persons that will give you your first 10 or 20 subscribers. Then afterwards your channel can grow on its own. So now that we have tags, we can add more tags, but for the sake of give you a little idea what I mean. So you can add all the relevant tags that you want to add. Now all we need to do now is just click on next, add an end screen, add a card, use card, or no end screen, click on next, and right here we can set our video as private, unlisted, anyone with the video link, so we can just send the link to person and they can watch it. Anyone with the link are public. This is what we want to set our videos as. So we're gonna save and public. We can also schedule our video to release like 10 p.m. tomorrow. So instead of us uploading the video and releasing it manually, we can just schedule it. So public and publish. So this should take a couple minutes. Voila, our video is actually finished. So if I should go to my channel now, click on boom, your channel. Voila, my first video is now up and running, ready for viewing. Currently I don't have any subscriber and this video is purely, so now I would just share this video to all my friends and family and let it get some traction and then start from there. So that's how you upload your first YouTube video and customize your YouTube channel so that it ranks higher within the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell, also leave a like, comment, a thumbs up, and a video you want me to talk about. Part 1 and part 2 of this video is also in the description below, so you can check it out. Peace.